How to repost post on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily repost your posts on Instagram. So let's say I want to repost this photo of Cristiano Ronaldo here. So what I can do is simply click on this share button over here, and if you want to post this as a story, you can simply click on the add to story button and you can simply repost this post as a story. But if you want to repost this post as an official post itself, so what you can do is you can also click on this three dot icon over here, and you might see the option called share to other apps around here, but as you can see it's not showing on my Instagram account. So make sure you have updated your Instagram. If it's still not showing, then what you can basically do is simply take a screenshot of the photo just like this, and once you do that you can click on this plus icon over here and simply take it from your gallery and click on next, and just make sure you give credit to the original owner and then simply click on share. So that is exactly how you can repost the post from your Instagram application. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.